You might have noticed recently that your Samsung keyboard has been talking to you every time you type a letter, or you can actually speak to the keyboard itself, and you're wondering what's causing that. So if you have the latest Android 15 update or even the Android 14, there's a new feature called Speak Keyboard Input, and in order to turn this off, here's where you can go to do this. So let's say you're about to start typing and your Samsung keyboard shows up like this here. Tap on the settings option right here and you'll be taken to the main Samsung keyboard settings. With all of these here, go past all of this and you'll look for the part that says swipe, touch, and feedback. It's to the near bottom right here. Once you go into it, you'll see all these different options here and you want to go and look for the part that says speak keyboard input aloud. And you can turn it off from here if it's talking and you want to just get rid of it, or you can go into it and see what other options you can do for this here. But if you want to turn it off, just simply disable this here, and from now on your keyboard will no longer be yapping to you, okay? And that's that. Like and sub.